Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble my spring pop-up Valentine card from Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen in the search bar type Art Graphics Studio and press enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphic Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects. Here are the components for the Spring Pop-Up Valentine card. Now you don't have to use all these ones that I have provided you. You can use as few or as many as you'd like. It's just up to you. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by making our springs. And we do that by taking two strips and gluing them together like this. A little bit of glue. Doesn't matter which end you use. Or you can use tape if you'd like. And then you want to fold these over. First this way, then this way, and you want to continue doing that until you've made all the way to the end. All right, now that we've gotten that folded, we want to go ahead and glue this to this. This is that last part, or tape. Now here is our spring. And then we will glue these or tape these to each of these. So let's do that and I'll be right back. All right, here they are. But you can make these a little longer if you'd like, if you want them to be taller. But keep in mind, if you're mailing this, then the thickness is going to make a difference on how much postage you have to put on. And here's our base. And it just has one score line in the center. And then these are our panels. This is our panel for the front. And this will go on here. And I am going to put that on with some dimensionals. And then this will glue right onto the front of that base. Now this other one is a decorative panel to go on the inside. So we'll decorate that next. And the first thing we want to do, or I would do, is to put these pop-ups and just put them however you want them, just wherever you want them. And you can make as many or as few as you want. And then we will glue those down. And then as far as the other adornments, then just put those wherever you'd like to, whether that's on the front or in the center, whatever you'd like. So I'm going to glue those down and be right back. Now we have our little Valentines, our little hearts that we want to put on just as decor. And they can go on here, or they can go on the front, or wherever you'd like to put them. I've made some larger ones and some smaller ones. And on the, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the smaller ones to the front of the bigger ones so that they'll stand out a little bit with dimensionals. Like that. And then they can be put anywhere. And I'm going to put these together and I'll be right back. Now here we have them. And as I said, you can put them anywhere you want to on the card. I'm going to start by putting a few on the front here. And I'm just going to glue those down. And then I'm going to put some here and then see how far they go.
And we're going to let those dry, and then we'll put the card together. Now we can put this on here. We can either just glue it or we can put dimensionals on it. I believe I am going to put some dimensionals on it. I'm actually going to be handing this card to someone. I'm not going to be mailing it, so it really doesn't matter if it has a lot of dimensionals or not. Of course, if you really want it raised up, you can stack these, double stack these dimensionals, make them higher. But I think one is enough. And then on the inside, I'm just going to glue it down since it's already popped up quite a lot. So here's our completed card. And if you'd like to, you can add a sentiment up there. There you go. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.